I mean, even blue raspberry, which is the most artificial, along with the grape, and there's next to no flavour. All I'm getting is jelly and sweet. Did you try blue one? Did you?
Yeah.
Where's the blue raspberry in the blue one? I give them a 1.
I give them a 2.
I give them a 1.
You can put them back in.
I'm trying to find your phone. So you can ring my phone because I can't find my phone.
That's what I was looking for. Don't knock the sugar off the plate, hon. These are
No!
Polish, I think. They're what I got from a Tesco order.
Okay, we're now going to try some Polish Cheetos that I believe are from either Asda or Tesco's.
Tesco's. I haven't ordered anything from Asda. Maybe a good place to look though. These just look like giant Wotsits to
That's
me.
what they taste like.
Tesco value Wotsits.
Try. Try them.
When you were a baby, you used to do this all the time.
Yeah.
Do I look like a baby?
Yes.
Yeah.
And you guys wonder where I get my attitude from.
They're not as cheesy as normal Wotsits are.
You didn't even try one. Try one.
I don't
Why is
like
your
them.
tongue so red on the end? Did you bite it? Looks like somebody nipped her. I give him a 3.
I give them a 2. I don't like them.
I got like 1.
And it's only because they're not soggy like them ones we tried yesterday.
Yeah.
I know somebody that'd like them.
These are.
Oh yeah. Put them on there till it's done. Do you want to wipe that off?
Cheese. Mum.
So I gave them a 3, you gave them a...
2.
Martha gave them a...
1. Should I got a 2 overall?
This is from
Canada.
American Fizz.
Diet Canada Dry Ginger Ale. Da-ba-da-da. Why? I take it we're not.
No, I didn't know how much you wanted, so because it'd been a diet one. Because all the other diet drinks you haven't liked.
Don't like it.
Why? It's not as strong as it
No.
normally is.
Why does that taste like lemonade?
Because that's what it is. It's ginger and lemonade.
I've eaten raw ginger. That does not taste like ginger.
No, it's not the normal Canada Dry one.
That just tastes like lemonade.
That's because it's caffeine free as well.
1.
I give it a 1.
1. I want to see. Yosh.
So it gets a 1 overall. Martha, can you make that disappear, please? Martha.
Oh. Oh.
Martha.
Yes.
I pointed to them.
Oh, I can't see your hand.
Okay, we're now going to try Australian Tim Tams with Manuka honey and
Sorry, I'm looking at your wife's face.
with Manuka honey and cream. And Bev looks like she's going to cry. Bearing in mind we don't have these in at the